In normal times, the convicted sex offender's request for leniency would have been met with a swift, emphatic no from the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office. But these aren't normal times in the DA's office. So when the felon earlier this year asked a judge to reconsider his 73-year sentence, the prosecutor assigned to the case didn't object. He couldn't, he explained in the court filing, because his boss, DIS attorney George Gascon, wouldn't allow it, court records show. The district attorney believes that regardless of the number of charges committed or the number of victims that were harmed, that a person should not serve a sentence that is greater than 15 years, he wrote. That stance earned the prosecutor's supervisor a reprimand from one of Gascon's top aides, who told her the attorney had misrepresented one of the many dramatic changes the district attorney implemented on his first day in office, according to court records. And when the supervisor was demoted to a lowly position in a remote Orange courthouse, she sued, claiming she had been retaliated against. The debacle was an example of how deep-seated discord over Gascon and his changes has complicated day-to-day operations within the nation's largest prosecutor's office, sometimes turning what should be mundane, routine business into messy affairs. The office has been roiled by a campaign to recall Gascon that is eagerly supported by most who work there. Lawsuits from employees who allege they've been punished for objecting to his policies, and a level of distrust that has people on both sides of a feud watching what they say and who they say. In interviews, more than a dozen prosecutors and defense attorneys, a mix of Gascon allies, die-hard recall supporters and those trying to navigate the office fisticuffs without getting hit, agreed that the bad blood pitting Gascon and his inner circle against hundreds of prosecutors they command.